In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import website data into Google Sheets quickly, cleanly, and without any complicated tools. Whether you're researching online, collecting information from Wikipedia, or you simply want to save time by avoiding manual typing, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the website that contains the HTML table you want to copy. This could be a Wikipedia page, a stats page, or any site that displays information in a clean table format. Once you find the table you want, click at the very top of it and drag your mouse all the way down to highlight the entire thing. Make sure every row and column is selected so you don't miss anything. When everything is highlighted, right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. It's that simple. Next, open Google Sheets in a new tab. If you don't already have a spreadsheet ready, feel free to create a new one. Once your sheet loads, think about where you want the imported table to go. This part matters. Choose the upper left cell where the first row of your table should start. Once you click on that cell, right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Google Sheets will automatically format the table and place everything exactly where it should go. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the table you're copying is a real HTML table, not an image, not a screenshot, and not text arranged to look like a table. Also, be sure your Google Sheet has enough empty space so you don't accidentally paste over any important data. These simple precautions can save you a lot of headaches. Once you've pasted the table, you can start sorting, filtering, coloring, or analyzing it however you want. And if something doesn't look right, try adjusting the column widths or removing extra blank rows. Taking a moment to clean up the formatting helps your data stay organized and easy to work with. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to import website tables into Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this saved you time, feel free to share it with someone who works with data. Often, why not make their day easier?